We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. 'Cause spooky, scary skeletons shout startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak from their sarcophagus and just won't leave you be. So unsafe, semi-serious. Spooky, scary skeletons are silly all the same. They'll smile and scramble slowly by and drive you so insane. Sticks and stones will break your bones, they seldom let you snooze. Spooky, scary skeletons will wake you with a
show them with our new Monster Mash.
Mash good.
Yeah, Seagull.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from the slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. The mash. It caught on in a flash. He did the mash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to a bust of Everall, where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrodes. They did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. It caught on in a flash. They did the mash. They did the monster mash. Zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hound. The coffin hangers were about to arrive with a local crew. The Crypt King of Five. They played the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. Oh yes, they played the Monster Mash. Out from his coffin, Drag's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?" It's now the Monster Mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash.
I hope you guys liked that video. Yes, I'm on my bed. I hope you guys liked that video. Thank you so much for all the support you guys done for me. And yeah, bye guys. Oh yeah, plushie video movie. Yeah. How much of them I do the spooky skeleton with my plushies? Like dance, talk with it. Yeah. Well, see you guys. Bye. Have a great day. Bye.